guys next.
Spread love, not hate. Period.
Cause I'm black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah yeah, yeah yeah, got that black girl magic.
It's better to use one of those.
So what are you guys doing?
Eyebrow tinting?
Eyebrow tinting.
Yeah, eyebrow tinting. First of all, let's double check with Maya. Her eyebrow shape. What are you looking for? Do you want them to have a little bit of arch?
Also, you guys over here, they're doing a back. Where is that? Oh, you don't have a client?
She's my client.
Okay. She's gonna be doing a back facial here.
I'm not doing back facial. Why is everybody saying I'm doing back
Oh, that's what I heard. Sorry, I don't know.
No, I said a back facial.
facial? Miss Jenny said that I'm doing
Regular facial?
the when you get the pimples.
Extraction. You can do an extraction on a back facial.
Yeah, I did that last night.
Okay. I'm so confused. Miss Jenny, what am I doing?
Uh-huh.
You told me I was doing.
Do you want to shout out any social medias?
I gotta say it. What?
Follow me on IG, the Cuban Desk.
Yeah, you want the high frequency. Yeah, you told
Any
me I was doing
social media?
the back facial for her.
She
I'm
not
sorry?
paying attention. Any social media? Mm-hmm.
What do you mean in social media? Am I on social media?
Yeah.
I have Facebook and Instagram.
Do you want to shout anything out?
I have no clue.
No?
Nah, I'll pass this time.
Okay.
Give me next time.
All right.
It's just like a normal facial, but on the
Any
back.
social media you want to shout out? And a business page you want to shout out?
Come get jazzed up. With 2 underscores.
Okay.
Period.
Any business page?
Nothing to say but spread love, not hate.
Spread love, not hate. Okay. Yes, Aaliyah.
Alright, so you're gonna do the first eyebrow, Miss Jenny? Yeah, we're gonna do the sign and everything.
Hey guys, so I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna put my mask on. But they got the bathroom all decorated because it's Halloween. It's actually the whole school. Alright you guys, I'm gonna give you a mini tour of the school since I've never gave you guys a tour. So we're gonna start with the laundry room. This is where we watch all our towels. The lunchroom. Back patio. You're in paramedical? Women's bathroom, male's bathroom. This is the class that I'm going to next after I graduate my skincare program. Cosmetology, the barber. Nail. More Cosmo. Front desk. Administration. Front door. So I'm in the nails class. Let me show you the nails. This is the nail class. I got my nails done here.
That's a dehydrator? Okay.
It says Prada. Done by yours truly. She's not looking, but she done the nails. These are the nail technicians. The talent. This one I'm getting next, y'all. Look at this. And she just she don't want to be on it, but she just started what 2 months, 1 month ago, 1 month ago, and doing nails like this. Let me go back to the class.
can't get it. Okay?
Back facial. I'm not showing your face.
Just Jenny. High frequency. When do I do that?
Aaliyah over there doing the facial. She over there doing the facial too.
I didn't do any instructions.
If you did it, you can do a feather mask after or before. It doesn't matter.
After the mask?
You can do it after.
No, I do high frequency.
Okay.
You know?
Got the false sleep standing up.
That could be. That's why you do it.
That's so good. I'm falling asleep. I'm falling asleep.
Well, she got a little wound.
Where is he falling asleep?
I'm putting stained glass next.
Did you feel it?
Yeah,
Yes, yes. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Control your breathing. Go, yes. Feel it. Imagine that somebody's doing it to you. That's the way you can, you know.
So then